So this is looks like a bear track. This one right here. So we take people out into nature and provide them with some basic practices for building relationship with nature through some meditation and ceremony. And through deepening a relationship with nature, they can connect with outer nature, inner nature, and their true nature. True nature is that part of yourself that connects to everything, the part of you that connects to what is larger than you, and is that part of you that is non-distracted, not trapped by grasping desires or aversions to things, just a relaxed, present self that realizes it's connected with all things.